Buntis ba ang inyong aso? Alam ba natin ang mga dapat gawin once sila ay manganganak na? I suggest you watch this video. Hi! Doc Jello again of Zootopia Animal Clinic. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng nanay sa buong mundo, and even mga nanay na doggies, because ang topic ko ngayong araw na to is about pregnant doggies at ang kanilang whelping. Whelping is our medical term para sa panganganak ng mga aso. So this video is about pregnancy and whelping of dogs. So again, Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng nanay sa buong mundo. And if you have a pregnant dog, I suggest tapusin mo ang video na to at makinig ng mabuti. A dog's pregnancy lasts for 60 plus or minus 5. So at max at 65 days and minimum at 55 days. So paano nga pa natin mako-confirm kung buntis ba ang inyong dog? We have an available test kits here in Zootopia Animal Clinic. And kukuhanan sila ng dugo, malalaman na natin kung sila ba ay buntis o hindi as early as 20 to 30 days. Once makonfirm natin na buntis ang inyong aso, you have 60 plus or minus 5 days para lumabas ang kanilang mga puppies. Didiscuss ko sa inyo ano nga ba ang stages of giving birth sa mga doggies. Stage 1. Okay, the stage 1 consists of frequent urination, frequent defecation of pagtae, restlessness, isolation, o ito yung tinatawag nating nesting behavior. So, nesting behavior could last for 12 to 48 hours. So, ganun katagal ang kanilang nesting behavior bago sila tuluyan na mag-contract. So, that's the stage 1. That's what we call nesting behavior. And this is the stage 2 of dog's labor. So, dito sa stage 2, kailangan nyo makita or kailangan nyo maobserbahan at manote yung oras kung kailan sila magkakaroon ng active contraction. Okay, once nag-contract sila or umire, we are expecting in a span of 1 hour na mayroong lalabas na puppy. If ever in a span of 1 hour from the first na sila ay nag-contract at wala pa rin lumabas na puppy, we might be considering na pumunta na sa veterinary clinic and magpa-consult na sa ating mga veterinarian. That is what we call dystocia. So, nahihirapan yung mother na ilabas yung kanyang puppies with a lot of reasons. One of the reasons might be masyadong malaki yung puppy, o kaya maliit yung dadaanan ng puppy. And third would be uterine inertia or inactive, unsuccessful contraction, hindi lumabas, napapagod ang bitch na umire. First contraction, dapat in 1 hour may lalabas na. Pero in some cases, we can wait for a couple of hours. Pero that's risky. Remember, if a patient will undergo an emergency cesarean section at siya ay weak and pagod, it's very risky. And one risk for waiting for a couple of hours is uterine rupture. So dito naman, with unsuccessful contractions, yung uterus ng inyong dog might rupture at pumutok at mag-cause ng sepsis. So, yun ang kinakatakot natin. It might cause death doon sa inyong bitch. If ever you've noticed an active contraction sa inyong dog at walang lumabas within 1 to 3 hours at maximum, please consider going to the veterinarian and of course, seek for veterinary help na. So, considering may lumabas na puppy from active contraction niya in a span of 1 hour or more, we are expecting another puppy to come out in a span of 30 minutes to 1 hour. That's the interval between puppies. But in some bitches, it varies. Sometimes it takes longer because the bitch is resting. So that's normal, but it should not take longer than 2 hours or more because maaaring nakaka-experience na to ng dystocia. So meron tayong mga cases na nangyari that nag-normal delivery yung isang dog, pero may naiwang isang puppy. Yung pala, so sinies natin yung puppy na yun, yung pala, ang puppy na yun ay sobrang laki at hindi talaga kasya at hindi kayang ilabas ng mother. So may mga ganyang cases. So we really have to be cautious sa time. You have to take note of the time kung ilang oras na ba nakakalipas from that one puppy to another. The final stage of whelping ng mga dogs, as the puppy goes out, so we expect placenta to come out. So one placenta per one puppy. So you really have to count kung mayroong lalabas ba na placenta each time na may lalabas na puppy. Because if ever na may cases na walang lumabas na placenta, it means na naiwan to sa loob. And delikado yon. So it could cause infection. So you really have to watch out. One placenta per one puppy, and usually nilalabas to every after lumabas yung puppy. Maaaring ito ay nakadikit pa sa puppy or naka-connect pa sa puppy, pero maaari ding hindi na. So watch out for the placenta. One placenta per one puppy. What about oxytocin? Marami nagtatanong or maraming breeder ang gumagawa nito. They are immediately giving oxytocin even though sabihin na natin maaaring hindi kailangan. So oxytocin causes contraction ng uterus. So we only give oxytocin if ever we are sure that the puppies are not oversized or the pelvic outlet is okay in size. Kumbaga kaya makapass through ng puppy. But if nag-inject kayo ng oxytocin and the puppy is so big or the pelvic outlet is so small or can pass through yung puppy, it will be a big problem at maaaring ma-CS ang inyong mga dogs. And also maaaring mag-at-risk din sila sa uterine rupture. So it's very dangerous. Always ask your veterinarian first before giving such drug like oxytocin. How do we know if there's no more puppies in your dog? So make sure, ang maoobserbahan natin first is titigil na talaga siyang mag-contract. So magpapahinga na siya, and then usually magtetend na siya sa kanyang puppies. So in cases like if we are sure with the numbers of puppies, mahalaga din na malaman if ever ilan yung puppy ng inyong dog para kapag lumabas ito during whelping, alam natin na tapos na ito. But if in cases na hindi na natin napa-x-ray yung ating dog before siya manganak, at ang tanging titingnan lang natin or maaasahan ay obserbasyon. So if tumigil na ang inyong dog mag-contract, meron pang pangalawang dapat na gawin, pwede nyong subukan kapain. So medyo mahirap to gawin sa mga hindi professional. But if ever man na matagal na rin kayong nagdodog, you can actually try to palpate yung kanyang abdomen. If there's a hard, round shape na nakakapa kayo, try to squeeze a little bit harder. And kung may makapa kayong medyo matigas, that will be the head. If ever na meron pa rin yun, your dog might be experiencing uterine inertia. So, it's always sure if ever na makapa natin ang head ng puppy. So, you can actually try to observe your dog for resting, and also, you can try to palpate if there's a head. So, that's the whole stage of whelping ng dog. I hope may natutunan kayo, and I hope ma-apply nyo to once manganak ang inyong aso. And always lang, make sure, advice ko lang din sa inyong lahat, make sure have someone or talk to a veterinarian a week before or a month before mag-labor ang inyong dog, because you know, it's very hard to find an emergency clinic or yung mga clinic na bukas ng madaling araw, umaga. It's really hard to find it. For example, like us, hindi na available ang aming night operation, therefore we cannot accept emergency cases anymore. But if ever man na meron kayong makausap or meron kayong makadil na doktor o veterinarian that would agree to abang or para mag-abang sa inyong puppy, mas better, because once due date na ng inyong dog at lumabas na yung mga signs na sinabi ko sa inyo, you can have someone to rely on during emergency cases, lalo kapag subjected for cesarean section na ang inyong dog. So, advice ko lang din sa inyo, ha, talk to a veterinarian and have a schedule, and make an appointment with them para naman na meron kayong maaasahan sa mga panahong emergency tulad nito. That's all about gestation and whelping ng mga dogs. I hope may natutunan kayo and I hope ma-apply nyo to sa inyong dogs if ever sila ay preggy. So, thank you very much again for watching. If you have any more questions, please comment down below and I'll try to answer it in my next video or I'll try to make a video about it. So, thank you again and happy Mother's Day to everyone. Hindi lang sa mga fur parents, pati sa mga fur babies natin na pregnant. Talagang fur baby pa rin kahit pregnant na sila. So, that's how we consider them. So, I wish them luck sa kanilang panganganak. And I hope maging healthy sila at maging healthy ang kanilang mga puppy and have a safe delivery. Thank you for watching again. This is Doc Jello of Zootopia Animal Clinic. See you on my next video. God bless.